Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. This is a Honcho Wholesale cosmetics box. So I've never gotten cosmetics from them, but they just started getting into cosmetics, so I'm really excited about that. There's two different kinds you can get, a 75 unit cosmetic box and a 125 cosmetic box when I looked on their website. So I'll link both of those down in the description. But this is the 75 unit cosmetics box. It's shelf pulls, and I believe this is Covergirl Cosmetics, if I'm remembering right. This is pre-assorted. I paid $107.25 and shipped it for $15, so I'm all in at $122.25, which means each item in this box cost me roughly about $1.63, all right? So let's go ahead and see what's inside. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, let's see what kind of condition these are in. I like the smallness of this box because it's not going to take up a lot of space. And we'll have to see exactly. Yep, this is pre-assorted CoverGirl HBA Cosmetics. MSRP is $411. All right, shelf pulls. So hopefully that means they're basically brand new. So let's see what kind of condition we got here. Random bag. Okay. So we got some CoverGirl concealer. Here, I'm going to set everything on the table for you guys to see. So here's some concealers. Here is some CoverGirl foundations, a bunch of those. Looks like they're different colors. So this is 745, 750, 732. So my plan is probably to put a lot of these on eBay right now. My go-to is Amazon. I will check and do a listing video on whether or not I can send these, or I can merch fulfill these. I may be able to send them, but I'm not sure right now as far as Amazon. So I like the variety that I don't have all the same kind, because if you get something, there's some mascara lashes, some more of this concealer stuff. I'm going to have to look at the colors. Okay, those are 800. This is 775. Here's another 800. Kind of organize it. This is mascara, super thick mascara. More mascara. Another mascara, another mascara.
What were you reading?
Another mascara. All right, so I'm seeing these numbers right here. So this is 805 black, and then like here is 210 black brown, and then if you see the difference here, this is 775 fair clear, but this one is deep, whatever that is, 800. Yep. So that's where I'm getting that. Here's another professional mascara. So really good condition. Everything is brand new. I don't see anything that's broken in shipping. Here's a powder foundation. So everything is brand new. Ooh, what's this? Highlighter illuminator. Highlighter illuminator right there. There's another one. All the same color. Ooh, here's another color right here. A highlighter illuminator, kind of a brown. So this is kind of like an eyeshadow style of thing, but it's cream. Various different colors.
What do you think so far?
I love this box. For one, it's not going to take up a lot of space. CoverGirl is a really good brand. I think the price, $1.63 per item. Makeup actually costs quite a bit. So what my plan is I'll probably look online and see how best to sell this, because I normally sell it on Amazon FBA. I'm just going to pull out foundations while I'm talking. I normally sell it on Amazon FBA, but I'm restricted in sending it to FBA right now because of the COVID-19. So I'm probably going to just go ahead and see, can I sell these in lots on eBay? Maybe put some of the same colors, like this is a 755 and this is a 755. So now you can buy a 2-pack. I wonder why one's a gold and one's a white. There might be a difference I'm not seeing. But anyway, I'll probably do like 2 packs like that. And so I can sell them for a little bit higher price, just because shipping is usually what deters people from buying makeup, because it costs a lot to ship just one item, but if you can have 3 of the same kinds of foundations that I always use, like I always wear ivory colored foundation, so if I do 3 of them and then they only have to pay for shipping once on 3 of them, that's a lot better deal. So that's probably what I'm going to look at doing to see if I can make some lots. I may put some of these on Hooked on Pickin and see how well they move on Hooked on Pickin, because Covergirl is a really nice brand. I've got some more brown mascara.
Can you put it on Poshmark?
Yes, you can actually put a lot of this on Poshmark. So they do have a good makeup section. I've only sold a few eyeshadows on Poshmark because most of it I would send to Amazon. But we're going to see what we can list for merch fulfilled. This is a Vitalist Go Glow lotion. And so what I'm planning on doing is I'll do a second listing video, so watch for that, and I'm going to let you know exactly how much I think I can make. Remember, we paid $122 from Honcho Wholesale, and then we're going to see exactly how much we think we can make off of this. Here's another lotion there. Let me see. This is like a lip gloss right here. Covergirl Lip Gloss. Some more lotions. Some more foundation powders up here. Some more lip glosses.
What do you do if you can't sell it?
Okay, so if I can't sell it, it's probably going to go in a garage sale that I'll do. I do 2 garage sales a year, and so I'll probably have a garage sale and list these all for like a $1.50 to $2 a piece. These, since they're CoverGirl, I'll probably do $2 a piece. Remember, I only paid $1.63, so I still will make a profit. I would prefer not to do that. I'd prefer to sell these things for like $10 or $11 a piece, and that's what I'm shooting for. But so we're going to have to, I really don't know what I'm going to be able to make on this at all right now because of me not being able to put it Amazon FBA. So it's going to be kind of a learning video if you watch the next video. This is blue. That is a dark navy blue. Look at that. It probably looks black on the video, but anyway, so it'll be kind of a learning video for both of us to be able to figure out what's in here. But the one thing I love is everything is in phenomenal condition, phenomenal reselling condition. I do have some duplicates, so it won't take me a million years to list everything. And like I said, that also gives me the opportunity to lot a lot of things. Makeup sells really great in lots. I personally shop for makeup in lots. These are some highlighter pens, Easy Breezy Brow Shapers. Those are brow shapers. So those are a little bit different. And then I've got some more eyeshadows here. Some more, let's see, here's another one of that dark blue. What is this? I think it's a lip gloss or eyeliner. It might be an eyeliner. Here's some mascara. Everybody uses mascara, right? There's some more Healthy Glow Highlighter Illuminator is what it's called. So if you are interested in any of this, I can actually sell it to you on hookedonpickin.com as well if you're interested in a specific color that you normally use from CoverGirl. So let me know, and I can just list it on Hooked on Pickin for you so you can purchase it there. Here's some more brow pencils. Here's some more mascara. Some more foundation. Foundation is awesome because it's the one thing that people buy the most. You know, my mascara lasts me forever because I don't use it all the time, but foundation is something people use almost every day. So, and I always say, and this comes from a friend that I had in Iowa, which cracks me up. We were talking about makeup one time, and she was a lady that was basically my mom's age, and she's like, listen, when it comes to makeup, if the barn needs painting, paint the barn. So, yes, I wear makeup and I paint the barn. So I just found that very humorous. So here is the last few things coming out of the box. Highlighter, illuminators, CoverGirl, and some more. This is, let me see, concealer. So that's concealer, this one with the white cap. So as you can see, great condition, lots of stuff in that little tiny box. 75 items from Honcho Wholesale, pre-assorted CoverGirl cosmetics. They are considered shelf pulls. I paid $107.25. shipped it for $15, which is not bad at all. $122.25. So I ended up with $1.63 per item. I'm pretty sure I'm going to make my money back, but we're going to check on that and just see where everything is at and where I can list everything. So that's going to be the fun video to watch. Watch the listing video. I will link it down in the description here, or it'll be tagged at the end of this video. And that's going to be the fun one to find out, will I make my $122.25 back? Or will I bust on this one? So I love the condition, great condition. So I think if you're interested in buying this for the condition, you definitely are going to do that. So remember Honcho Wholesale, and I will link the either 75 unit or the 125 unit down in the description below when I went to their website. So hopefully it's been fun to see this unboxing from Honcho Wholesale of cosmetics, of CoverGirl Cosmetics. And remember, in the end, Jesus win. If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks! Hey, I'm really curious if this makeup is going to sell on Poshmark, but if you want to be a Poshmark seller, I have an exhaustive ebook that has links, YouTube descriptions, how-to guides, how-to videos, all that kind of fun stuff for Poshmark, and a bunch of other reseller guides available on hookedonpickin.com. Go to the reseller help section, and hopefully it will help fast-track you to be a reseller yourself.